Hello friends, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today, we will learn to knit double crochets under the arch. For the sample, I have made a chain of 12 air stitches. I also made a row of double crochets. We learned how to do this in previous lessons, for those interested. Please check the link below the video to transition to the next row. We will make 2 air stitches for lifting. One, two, and we will turn the knitting. Now, let's take a closer look at our double crochets. Each double crochet consists of a leg. This is the leg. This part is called the leg, and it also has a loop. This is the loop. This is how it looks from above, and consists of 2 half loops. Here is 1 half loop and the second half loop. Here is the braid shape. When normally working a double crochet, we insert the hook into the loop, right here. But today, we are learning to knit double crochets under the arch. This means we will insert the hook between the double crochets right here. Right here, let's give it a try. We will make a yarn over and insert the hook between the first and second double crochets. Of the previous row, right here, here is the first double crochet. Here's the second, we insert the hook between them. Between the legs of the double crochets, we grab the working yarn, pull it through, and work a regular double crochet. We have completed that, and will continue the same way. Yarn over, we insert the hook between the next 2 double crochets. Right here, we grab the working yarn, pull it through, and work a regular double crochet. We have worked 2 double crochets. Now let's continue. Yarn over. Insert the hook between the legs of the double crochets of the previous row and work a regular double crochet. Again, yarn over. Insert the hook between the double crochets. Grab the working yarn. And we make a column with a yarn over. I will do it this way until the end of the row. Here, I have completed the row. Now let's count how many columns I have in the second. In the row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 12th column is our chain stitches, so everything is correct. There should be 12 columns in each row for me. Since I initially cast on 12 chain stitches, if you have a different number of stitches, then each row must have the same number of columns. This is necessary to achieve a smooth fabric. And we continue in the same way. To transition to the next row, we will make 2 chain stitches for lifting. 1, 2, and we will turn the work. We continue with the yarn over, and insert the hook between the columns of the previous row. This is what the columns look like in the fabric. The item becomes softer than when crocheting regular columns with a yarn over into a stitch. I think everything was clear. But if you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comments. I will answer them. Please subscribe, like, and see you in new classes. Bye bye.